Bitcoin price to hit $200,000 by 2025. Standard Chartered, can green Bitcoin outperform BTC? Disclaimer, the text below is a press release that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content. Standard Chartered Bank predicts significant inflows into the market with the approval of BTC ETFs. In a recent report, the bank noted that there will be inflows of $50 billion to $100 billion this year in the event that asset managers who have applied to issue spot Bitcoin ETFs win. If the reality lives up, Bitcoin could surge to $200,000 by the end of 2025. Bitcoin is set for huge gains. The potential of Bitcoin ETF is comparable to the first U.S.-based gold exchange-traded product that went live in November 2004. As gold ETP holdings matured, the price of gold grew forks over a 7-year period. The optimism around Bitcoin ETF approvals has helped the BTC price action significantly over the last few weeks. The world's largest cryptocurrency swelled almost 155% in a year. As more Bitcoin spot ETFs get approval, the price of Bitcoin can climb similar to gold. But factoring in the crypto volatility, the market could develop much earlier and achieve multifold gains in a much shorter time frame. The obstacle of self-custody has kept many investors out of the asset class. Through approving a 40 Act structure that can give investors exposure in their traditional brokerage accounts means the demographic of investors that can allocate even just 1% of their portfolio to this growing alternative asset class is exponential. And I think price activity given the fixed supply of Bitcoin will be just as big, notes Will McDonough, chairman and founder of Cornerstone Capital. The next Bitcoin halving is another event that will support the market's positive trajectory. It is expected to be held in late April 2024. Investors are buying green Bitcoin alongside. Despite the wildly ambitious price predictions, investors are not willing to settle for Bitcoin. They are buying more established and emerging cryptocurrencies to get a strong position in the series of bull runs that are underway. A diversified, robust crypto portfolio is key to maintaining a profitable portfolio in all market conditions and mitigating risks. But established cryptocurrencies can't meet the needs given that they have large market caps that leave little room for growth. In the event of a market downturn, they are bound to collapse. Their propensity to price corrections is high. Low-cap cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have higher growth potential. That is, if they have a strong underlying utility that powers their organic demand. Green Bitcoin is a good example in this sense. Amid the Bitcoin mania, the altcoin that draws inspiration from Bitcoin's journey is poised for a steep climb. What is green Bitcoin? Justifying the green tag, Green Bitcoin collaborates with sustainability-focused initiatives to reinforce its environmentally friendly aspect. The Bitcoin theme and the focus on sustainability provide a solid foundation for the project's early market performance. However, the positive investment outlook for $GBTC is rooted in its predict churn utility based on an innovative gamified staking system. It allows participants to earn rewards by forecasting BTC prices, engaging in daily and weekly contests. Users can submit their BTC price projections for the next day or week by staking GBTC tokens, with winners determined based on the accuracy of their predictions. The results are directly tied to real-world outcomes. As time progresses, the predict churn challenges will extend their focus beyond BTC to cover more assets and events, an accessible and lucrative source of passive income. Green Bitcoin's predict churn challenges are open to everyone, financially and technically. There are multiple benefits to the predict churn system when compared to the popular GameFi, GambleFi, and play-to-earn sectors. Inherent transparency in the determination of winners and distribution of rewards overseen by blockchain-based smart contracts. A good earning opportunity for individuals with a discerning market sense, but it is much simpler than trading. Predict churn is also less risky, although it gives good exposure to market events. In contrast to gaming platforms, which serve younger demographics, Green Bitcoin is accessible to everyone who wants to monetize their market insights and instincts. Green Bitcoin also incentivizes passive staking as part of strengthening its long-term price action. The longer you stake your tokens, the higher the returns. $GBTC presale ending soon. Green Bitcoin has opened the presale of its native token $GBTC for prospective users and investors. It features a multi-stage structure with gradually increasing prices. The discounts and high staking annual percentage yield APY during the presale stage will give investors a strong entry to the project. More than an altcoin that capitalizes on the Bitcoin mania, Green Bitcoin stands apart as a utility-driven environment that caters to a wide and diverse user base. $GBTC has significant potential to establish itself as a pivotal player this year. Visit Green Bitcoin presale. Follow us on Google News.